We are here at CU Auto Center, and he's just right now putting on some tires and some wheels and then putting it on that car. Be a couple minutes or whatever, and yeah, we're gonna get our shit done, get our shit squared away. We got our tires back here. We got the Lion Sport 3s. This is how the tread's looking. Yeah, I paid like $320. Not too bad, man. Like, honestly, I wasn't looking for anything crazy. Some rubber that's going grip. It seems like it's pretty sticky. It's a high performance tire, and these wheels don't deserve anything more expensive, man. They got some gashes, they got some bends, and I know it's making the car a little bit extra shaky. You know, they don't deserve that much anymore. So we just need the daily to be the daily, and the white TSX probably gonna get like, I don't know, R888s, you know, them hockey pucks.
That was mine. That's mine. That was
Yeah, fix that, but came over here real quick so he could do his alignment and get my tires on right here. Multitasking. You feel me?
Hey boy, no.
Yeah, I need me a little cargo up top. I need to get a roof rack though. Got the Lion Sport 3s, Leos on. All 4s right now. I got that situated. Now we're about to go ahead and go on the alignment rack here in a sec. Shout out to the homie as always. Yes, sir. Bro, my shit is fucked. Yo, this thing is all cracked right here. I noticed this hole's been here. This thing is split. I noticed all this. Oh, this thing is cracked too. So I just need a whole set because it's cracked right here, it's cracked right there. All due time, I'll find some shit. And shit dusty as ever. I gotta give it a wash. Cleaned the interior this morning. I still gotta wipe it down. Yeah, you see how dusty it is, man? Car feels so much better though. With an alignment, obviously drives a lot, you know, straighter, smoother. And obviously the new tires, because it was so much more rattly and just shaky because some things were shot, y'all. Honestly, I didn't even show you guys, but I did show you in the past. Some things were on some metal tread. At least 2 of them were really bad.
Moving some things just to move some things. Moving some things just to move some things.
Hey, y'all surprised me, man. Oh, shit. Yeah, we're just moving things to move things just to move things again. And not too long because we got to move again if you guys didn't hear. Our lease is up here pretty shortly, and we just got month to month until we figure something out. Kind of looking to see if we could buy something possibly. We're tired of renting, and she's looking to sell this place anyway. So she was actually wanting the month to month more. Well, we wanted that, but then she was wanting that too. And I was like, oh, works out.
Works out.
But yeah, so we have the white TSXs. Engine right over here, and we got the engine hoist and engine stand.
Yeah, be careful.
That strong yell, huh? You guys get the gist, man. We're just taking things out and moving stuff. So yeah, man, figuring things out. So I'll catch you guys again shortly. Don't worry, we're gonna get back on the white TSX. Shit, who's that, man? Who's that? What's poppin', y'all? We are gonna be doing some errands, running around in the TSX. So I figured, why not bring y'all along? And we also have this new suction cup. This thing is hefty. Supposedly it's supposed to handle like actual camera, but right now we're just gonna be using the GoPro, especially if I want to do it outside of the car so we get some like cool footages from you guys being in the outside. I'm gonna attempt that with my GoPro 8 instead of the 12 right now that you guys are on. And yeah, just make sure this suction cup be suctioning and cupping. With this stuff, you always want to have a clean surface, a microfiber. Don't mind this thing, we're just in here. I didn't record it, but we were in here last night. I came back and re-grinded down some of the rust because we let it sit a little bit, and then we coated it with Osfo, and I'm just letting it sit for whatever 24 hours, let it get coated, and then we're gonna have to come back and start scuffing a lot of this stuff down and then put some self-etching prime on it just so the base metal is not sitting anymore. Getting this thing on its way, because there's some things I gotta go do. I gotta go to the store, buy a torch and whatever. I gotta remove this stuff because that's snapped in, and same thing with this side. One bolt came out, the other one's stuck in there, so I gotta drill bit it out kind of thing. So little things. But let me grab this, let's get going. Let's get you guys mounted up and get some POV driving. We finally got an alignment and stuff. Steering wheel still looks like shit, but it don't look crazy while driving, and it drives straighter and smoother because new tires. Got you set up, you know, lovely angles, like you're a passenger princess. You know, how you doing? Trying to grab some like tacos or something? Tacos and Coronas, Modelo? Shot of honey? Shit. But yo, this mount is definitely cool as fuck, y'all. We could suction you anywhere and have you at basically all angles. It's a newer brand. That's what it's called, newer.
I was like, newer.
From Amazon. I wonder how the camera is gonna hold, especially on the outsides. Yeah.
We'll try it out with the A6000 first.
Yeah, that was my thoughts. Try it out with the A6000, not our better camera. I feel like it should be good, to be honest. Right now we're heading to Lowe's or Home Depot, whichever of the two. Grab a torch, some extra PB blaster, probably actually spray away glass cleaner because it's cheaper there. Alright, we are back. We gotta grab our pull and spring.
Yes.
That's all we grab here because honestly BJ's is a little bit of a dub with options. I think Costco's better. That's why it's so packed over there all the time.
GTA. They're looking for us.
That spot was a dub. This is more of a newer-ish open spot. El Típico Latino.
El Típico Latino.
Yeah.
El Típico.
So it's like one of those things where it's like all, you know, already laid out behind the glass, and you just choose what you want.
Cypress. Go ahead.
Yeah, move. Make some room. What's up, y'all? Y'all see these crazy girls? Woo. Don't mind all the seagull shit, but nice walk out here. First time with Honey being over here at Coachman and just kind of a little bit more in public. Just kind of been refraining from some like dog parks and just where a lot more dogs are because there's some sort of like virus shit going around and it's weird. There's always something going on somewhere, something popping up, something new. This is Coachman, beautiful day. The rain's holding up, so we decided to prolong this POV footage with, you know, more angles and taking the doggos out. Trying out the new collars. You know, trying to get them not pull as much. We've been learning. Sit.
Sit.
Stay. Stay. Good girls.
Oh, mama, girls.
It's a girl household. Just headaches, man. Just headaches all the time, man. Help! Help! Gotta love them though. Sky, go. Jump up, jump up. Little dusty, little dusty. So, you know, imperfections, bumper, car is dusty as fuck. Oh, this dude's actually handing out tickets for a parking thing. Hey, we were there for, because we got an hour or an hour and 20?
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.